Hey, this is a brief little tutorial or fun little facts about Python that you may someday encounter, or perhaps you may not. So I thought I'd just share it with you. As you know, Python is extremely popular. I did a quick tutorial with Hello World, and I'll have several others in the future. However, what's interesting about it is Python being a hobby project that was completed back in 1989 by a hobbyist, and they decided to call it Python and wanted it to be really simple and easy to use, and it has nothing to do with snakes at all. It actually has to do with Monty Python from the 1970s. So if you don't know who Monty Python is and Monty Python's Flying Circus, the original creator Guido van Rossum, he was a big fan of it. So, if you want to know who created it and the reasoning why, that was the case. But one of the major contributors to Python, Tim Peters, he basically built in something that's cool that you can type into your Python editor. This is one of the two I'll show you today as cool little import features, or built-in, call them Easter eggs if you will. If you type in just import this, okay, as a command, and you were to run this, what happens here, we'll check it out. If I go right click and run this in my terminal, we're going to see a little poem about Python with a tribute to Tim Peters that basically says explicit is better than implicit, simple is better than complex, complex is better than complicated, flat is better than nested, sparse is better than dense, readability counts. You really get the point. It's the Python manifesto as basically in a little poem here and such. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then there's another little Easter egg that you might come across, and sometimes you want to have a little fun, impress your friends with some Python cool features or things that you may not see. Let's do another import. We'll change out the import this. We're going to change it to import anti-gravity. Okay, and we're going to save that file, and we're going to do the same. We're going to right click, and now we're going to run this in my terminal, and watch what happens. A little web browser opens with your default web browser. Two fun facts about Python, or random facts about Python, to the one about anti-gravity. So check it out a little bit. Stick figure dude. And like I said, with those two things, you know some history behind Python now, and some built-in imports you can impress your friends with. Hope you found this pretty cool and interesting like I did. And feel free to leave some comments behind, or if you'd like to know some other things in the future, you can make video requests. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and hope to hear from me soon. Thanks.